Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple sugar cookies. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. First, in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is thoroughly combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Overmixing can make cookies tough. Once your dough is mixed, wrap it tightly in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for preventing the cookies from spreading too much during baking. After chilling, lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough to a uniform thickness of about 1/4 inch. Now, have fun cutting out your shapes with cookie cutters. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut-out cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cool, unleash your creativity with decorations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.